So this is how you can install Copilot on your PC. So first of all, open Microsoft Store and search for Copilot. And you will get this. You have to click here and click install. After you finish installing Copilot, you have to click open, or you can go to start menu and you will find here. So first of all, you have to sign into a Microsoft account to use Copilot. So I'm going to click on sign in. It will load Microsoft login screen and I'm going to use this one. Now you can type your prompt here and you will get the result. Now you can write a YouTube script about the solar system. Now, as you can see, it generates a YouTube script. Now you can generate image. Like you have to type create a image. Then you have to type your concept and it will take a few seconds. As you can see, it has generated the image. As you can see, it is really good. Really good. Also, we can ask question like how many moon of Jupiter. Okay. Now we can rewrite anything like you can rewrite any email or any kind of thing using uh, Microsoft Copilot. So this is really good. Let me generate some few emails. So let's generate a logo. I'm going to type create a logo. So let's see. So as you can see, it has generated a free logo for us. I believe Microsoft Copilot is better than ChatGPT because it has so much powerful. It is so much powerful than chat GPT. So I really like this. And also you can use Microsoft Copilot within Microsoft Edge browser. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy and thanks.